All right, tonight we're gonna do a quick and easy chicken franchise. The chicken cutlets, flour dusted, dredged in egg wash. They're frying up nicely in olive oil, butter, and garlic. Vegetable tonight is broccoli rabe, garlic, and oil. Chicken cutlets are frying up just beautifully. So the chicken franchise balances just perfectly with a chilled Sauvignon Blanc. It's crisp, beautiful. I will sneak in a quick taste. Nice. Cutlets tonight, a lot of kids tonight. All right, we hit it with some white wine, chicken broth, a whole lot of lemon, some fresh parsley, and we finish in the oven 15 minutes. Salud.